Now today, within the topic of electrostatics, we are discussing about the second mode part, and that is the second mode part. Within the second mode part, we have to discuss about the electric potential and the potential energy. In previous topic or the in previous standard, we are discussing about this phenomenon, but within this topic, we are discuss the data as related to the point charge. Now we have to discuss about the electric potential. Electric potential is potential is the amount of the work done, and it is needed to move a unit electric charge from a reference point to the specific point in a electric field without there should be a producing and the acceleration. Means to transfer the charge from the one point to the another point, there should be a potential is required, and that is called as the electric potential, or the in short we can call as the to shift the electric charge from the one point to the another point, there should be a potential is required, and that the potential is known as the electric potential. Now after that, if we goes the forward, we have to discuss about the potential energy. Means that the energy will be possessed by a body virtue of its the position relative to others. Means there should be a trace within the itself the electric charge and the other factors. Means that the energy required to there should be a or the energy appear to that of the charge, it is called as the potential energy. Now work done against that if we discuss the potential energy, there should be a it is nothing but the work done against the electric force is equal to the increase in the potential energy of the system, and this is denoted by the du. Means du is equal to F into dr, force into displacement, like as the there should be a force into displacement. Now for this expression of this energy, we have to there should be a calculate the potential energy of there should be a point charge. Now let us consider the electrostatics field. Suppose there should be a due to the this positive plus q charge. This is the positive plus q. Okay, this is the become the dark due to the my ball pen. This is the positive q charge, and suppose this charge is placed on the point of O, or the point O is here. Now suppose there should be a, again we consider there is the small charge, and it is the plus small q charge. Plus small q charge, it is situated at a distance r1 from the origin O. Means the distance O to this A is equal to small r1, or there should be a distance between capital Q or the broad Q to the plus small q0 charge is the r. Now this charge is brought, or there should be a brought from this point A to B. There should be a this is the there should be a displace the charge. In short, we can call as the displace the charge, or the brought the charge from the A point to the B point. At the B point, there should be a distance from this is the R2. R2 is the distance from the plus Q charges. Now for the transfer or the get the charge from A to B, there should be work done against the electrostatic force. This is called as the Fe, stands for the electrostatic force. It is directed to this direction, isn't it? Okay, now there. But this work done to displace the positive Q charge to point B, there should be the work done, and this is against the there should be a Fe. Now or the it is called as the electrostatic force. Means Fe is the work done, there should be a displace the plus Q charge at a distance. In short, we can call as the at a distance small dr. Now there should be a for this displacement of this the increase in the potential energy, and the potential energy is calculated or the given as du is equal to Fe, or in short we can sort called as the F into dr. But again we have to take on the negative sign, because of there should be a Fe, and the displacement means there should be a broughting the point plus q charge from A to B are opposite to the each other, and that's why it is negative sign is here from the displacement. Suppose there should be a, if there should be a, we have to discuss about the brought the point charge, and there should be a this displacement of the charge from the initial position to, there should be a to the position B, there should be a changes the potential energy. For if there should be a plus q charge will be start to from goes towards the B, there should be a from, if it is start from the A point, it is goes toward the B point, there should be a potential energy is changes, and can obtain by, there should be a it is the change in potential energy is delta U, and this is delta U is equal to, there should be a, it is from, there should be a R1 to R2, R1 to R2, there should be a du, means that after that putting this value from this, there should be a integration of R1 to R2 minus of F E dr. Now there should be a the electrostatic force, that the electrostatic force between the two charges separated by the distance. Suppose there should be R, we have called as the separated by the distance, this charge and this charge are separated by the small r only. Okay, now there should be a, that the force is nothing but the Fe is equal to minus of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q and the q0. There should be a two charges upon r square to the unit vector r by the Coulomb's force or the Coulomb's law. There should be a, this is law is Coulomb's law is here, isn't it? Okay, now for this system there should be a two charges. Which two charges? The capital Q and the Q0 charges, or the Q0 called as the test charge also. There should be a, we have to take on, there should be a delta U is equal to integration of R1 to R2 du. There should be a R1 to R2, put the value of by the Coulomb's law 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 upon r square, there should be a into unit vector r into dr. After that, taking this integration, we have to take on all the terms, constant terms are taken outside to the bracket. The remaining should 1 minus 1 upon, or the integration of 1 upon r square is equal to minus 1 upon r, and this is the limit r1 to r2 is here. If we set up the limit delta u, there should be a, we have to take on the delta u. Delta u is the potential energy that the potential energy is nothing but the, or the calculated as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0. There should be a 1 upon upper limit minus lower limit taken here. Now there should be a potential energy is calculated. After that, there should be a change in potential energy is depends upon by this equation, depends upon, there should be a points, there should be a, or the actual part taken by the charge. In short, we can call as the actual part taken by the charge. Now see here, this potential energy is equal to nothing but the work done. Now here, change in potential energy is equal to the work done against the electrostatic force. W stands for the work done to move the charge from the A point to the B point, isn't it? Means that the work done W from point A to B is equal to delta U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 1 upon r2 minus 1 upon r1 is here. And then the unit of that potential energy, SI unit of the potential energy joule, and it's, there should be 1 electron volt, a charge 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 of joule. Suppose within this equation there should be a, suppose there should be a energy of the system is changes, and there should be a this is choose that of the energy is at the infinity point to, there should be a 0 point. There should be a, from the, it is brought from the at infinity to something. Now see here, the potential energy of electrostatic force at the r is equal to, or sorry, r1 is equal to infinity, and if there should be a r1 is equal to infinity, then r2 is equal to nothing but the r. There should be a total potential energy u r is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 and q2 divided by r. q1 and q2 are, there should be a 2-point charges separated by the distance r from each other. Now we have to calculate, this is the potential energy. There should be expression for the potential energy. After that we have to discuss about, there should be another topic, relation between the potential energy and the potential. Suppose we have to know that there should be a, and again discussion of this, there should be a Vr is the potential energy, and that the potential energy given by q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r. Now again we have to discuss about the equality of the potential energy. Suppose instead of, there should be a q1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into q2, or there should be at a place of the q1 we can brought the q2, or if there should be at the place of this can brought the q1. Means there should be a potential depends upon the charge q. Potential is depends upon charge q, means that there should be a dv is equal to minus e into dx. Dx is the displacement. Dx is the displacement, and then we have to calculate e is equal to minus dv upon dx. dv upon dx. After that we have to discuss about the one more topic, the electric potential due to the different point, electric potential. Now after that we have to discuss the electric potential due to the point charge. Electric potential due to the point charge. Suppose we have to discuss here, there should be a derivation r for the electrostatic potential due to the point charge. Now suppose there should be a plus q charge is here, plus q charge located at the point O, and determine there should be a point A. A is the here. Now A is at a distance r from the O. It is the at a distance r from the O. Now if there should be a, seen that the electrostatic potential at the point, suppose A, at the point amount of the work done, means there should be electrostatic potential at point A is nothing but the amount of work done per unit the positive charge, per unit the positive charge. Now let's suppose there should be a work done, there should be, it is independent on the path. Suppose there should be a chooses, there should be independent on the path, there should be a existing the OA, or there should be a OA to infinity, means there should be a, or the A to infinity, sorry, OA at infinity to A, or there should be a OA to infinity. Now let M be the intermediate point. Consider the any point or the intermediate point. Now there should be a, if M is the intermediate point, the OM distance O to M is nothing but the x. Now there should be a, if the displacement is x, then the force, electrostatic force at the unit positive charge at the M, and it's how the magnitude of that at point M, the electrostatic force is nothing but the F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by Q upon x square. X is the distance between O, M. Isn't it? Now called as the equation number 1. Suppose there should be a, the displacement dx from M to N. M to N. There should be a small change in the distance are taken, and it is called as the dx, or there should be a this there should be a small change in displacement is from M to N. Now there should be, for changing that displacement, there should be a work is done here, and this is the small work is done, and dw is equal to minus f dx, and then we have to call the calculate the total work done. There should be a total work done is denoted by the w, and it is nothing but, it is from at the infinite point to the r. infinite point to the r, means there should be a from anywhere from to the point A. It is nothing but the integration of infinity to r minus f dx is equal to infinity to r minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon x square dx. After that, taken this outside constant term, integration is became the this numerator to denominator conversion of denominator to numerator. There should be the power of this is minus became minus 2, and then the integration, after the solving of that integration, we have to take on the total work done, the q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinity, means upper limit minus, while putting the upper limit minus lower limit. Now there should be a, we have to discuss about the work done, and this work done is nothing but the q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r. This is called as the equation number 2 by the definition. Now see here, we define the electrostatic potential, then the electrostatic potential is nothing but the work done, and it is the q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r, q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r. Now see here, if the positive charge, or there should be a process, or there should be a, it is the work done is here. Now after that, we have to discuss about the another topic, and that another topic is that the electrostatic potential due to the electric dipole. Suppose we know that in the previous standard or the previous topic, in the study of this, we have to take on the dipole moment, magnetic dipole moment. Here we have to discuss about the another dipole moment is the electric dipole moment is in the next previous standard. Suppose there should be a AB is the consisting, there should be a, or there should be AB, A and the B having the two charges are separated by the distance twice of L. This L and this L is the twice of L. There should be a, and this twice of L is nothing but the dipole moment. It is nothing but the dipole moment, and it is denoted by P is equal to Q multiplied by twice of L is the dipole moment. Is the dipole moment. Now there should be a joining, there should be a, suppose there should be a, we have to take on the joining that of the point this and this. Now consider, suppose there should be a C be the any nearest point. C, suppose there should be a, this is the C, and it is very nearest point at a distance r from the center O. Should be a center O. This is the distance r. Now there should be an angle made by this is nothing but the theta. It is the theta. There should be a, we have to take on the r1 and r2 are the distance from the r1 and r2 are the distance from the C to the point positive charge or the point negative charge is here, or the respectively. Suppose after that we have to calculate the potential in the previous topic. After that we have to discuss about the, here should be a potential due to the two charges, the plus q and the minus q. First upon we have to discuss the potential at the C due to the positive plus q charge is nothing but the V1, and it is positive of charge. There should be 4 pi epsilon 0 r1. Now again consider this, there should be this V1 potential is due to the point A or the positive charge plus q. After that we have to discuss about the another topic. There should be a V2 is the potential due to that the point B or the negative charge minus q. After that we know that the V is the potential, it is nothing but the, we have to discuss the W upon Q is here. Suppose consider there should be a the potential at the C due to the dipole. Which is the dipole? Dipole, there should be a positive charge and the negative charge due to the two charge. We can call it as the two charge, potential due to the two charges here. Now suppose we can call it as the potential at the C due to the plus charge and due to the negative charge, there should be a Vc, and Vc is nothing but the V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2. By adding this equation of the value of V1, value of V2, we get there should be a equation the Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into bracket 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2 is here. 1 upon R2. Now again, sudden change in that of the topic is that by the geometry of diagram or the geometry of the figure, let's consider the R1 square is equal to R square plus L square minus 2RL cos of theta, or there should be as similarly there should be a R2 square is equal to R square plus L square plus 2RL cos of theta. Now there should be, after that, taking the R square common, this equation become 1 plus L square upon R square minus twice L upon R cos of theta, and like as similarly add the R1 and R2 as it is. Now consider, suppose the twice of L is the dipole, suppose it is very small as compared to the small r, and the r is very greater than the L, then L upon R is the, there should be a negligible or the small. After that, again this equation, above equation become R1 square is equal to R square into 1 minus twice of L upon R cos of theta, and R2 square become the R square into 1 plus twice of L upon R cos of theta. After that, we have to discuss the R1's value and R2. R is equal to 1 minus, there should be a twice of L upon R cos of theta 1/2, there should be R2 power to the 1/2, and then R2 is equal to R1 plus twice of L upon R cos of theta 1/2. Now consider the Vc. Vc is equal to V1 plus V2. After that, putting this value, we have to discuss about, there should be a, this minus can be getting outside, then we have to Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 1 upon R 1 minus twice of L cos of theta upon R raised to the minus half, and minus 1 upon R 1 plus twice of L cos of theta upon R raised to the minus half is here. Now there should be a, after that, the Vc is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Out of them we have to taken the 1 upon R is the common outside, and this equation became like this. After that, rearranging this equation, we have to take on Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R 2L upon R cos of theta is here. And then twice of L is equal to P. Put the value of twice of L is equal to, instead of this we have to take on the value of P, then 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 P cos of theta upon R square is become, and then electric potential at point C is equal to Vc upon 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 P upon R cube. This is the potential, and this is the potential at the point C. Now again we have to discuss about the small thing is that the electrostatic potential due to the system of charges. There should be a lot of charges or the nth number of charges, and suppose there should be a P is the any point from this distance R1, there should be a charge Q1 is situated, R2 is situated at the Q2, there should be a Q2 is situated at the distance R2, and Q3 is situated at distance R3, and then Rn is respectively. Then there should be a, we know that the V is the potential at the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, there should be a Q upon R, but there should be, here should be a n number of charges. Suppose there should be a Q1, Q2 up to the Qn. Charges are situated at a distance R1, R2 up to the Rn respectively. Then there should be a, consider the different charges. Suppose there should be a potential at the charge Q1 is nothing but the V1, and the V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 upon R1, and there should be a potential at the charge Q2 is nothing but the V2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. There should be a Q2 upon the R2. R2 is here. Like as there should be a so on. Now there should be a, this is the superposition principle. The V at or the potential at a system, this is the algebraic sum of potential due to the individual charges. Means there should be each charges, in short each charges, and it is nothing but the V is the total potential, and this total potential due to the charge V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus up to the Vn is here. Now consider the, after that putting this value in this equation, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is taken outside, then the Q1 upon R1 plus Q2 upon R2 plus dash plus Qn upon Rn, and this is the electric potential due to the, there should be a system of charges. Now this can be written as the total V is the potential. There should be a 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is nothing but the summation of I varies from 1 to n, the Qi upon Ri is the total potential. Okay.